Hi everybody. I recently found, cleaned, and refinished my great-grandfather's bench vise. I didn't have any before images, so I'm showing you this bolt which always held it to the bench. It's about the same rust level and same patina, or whatever you'd call it, pitted and cracked. I do have some pictures of what it looked like after I had washed it in a mild detergent and degreased it. The only identifying marks that I could find on it was the number 100, and also the number 8 was stamped under the jaws when I finally got the jaws off. They were held in place by these 2 each tapered pins, and had to drive them out with a heavy hammer. It was pretty difficult. Here's the internal parts. The only other mark on it is the part that holds in the drive screw has a patent date on it of November 28th, 1887. I'm not sure if the vise is that old or if that's just the patent date. I made this the decision to make it red and polished everything up. I had to straighten the handle in my other vise with a couple bolts so that I could give it a little extra bend. I want to thank you for watching, and if you have any information about this vise, please leave comments.